So we have seen the masculine and feminine gender for humans. Now we will be moving on to the masculine and feminine gender for animals. So for animals. So this is the masculine gender and this is the feminine gender. So for masculine, tiger, and the feminine gender is tigress. So tiger, tigress. The masculine gender for bull, the feminine gender is cow, bull, cow. Rooster is the masculine gender. The feminine gender is hen. So rooster, hen. The masculine gender is buck and the feminine gender is doe. It is for deer. So for a deer, the masculine gender is known as the buck and the feminine gender is doe. The masculine gender is drake and the feminine gender is duck. So drake, duck. The masculine gender is fox. The feminine gender is vixen. So fox, vixen. The masculine gender is gander. The feminine gender is goose. So gander, goose. For a horse, the masculine gender is stallion and the feminine gender is mare. Stallion, mare. Lion, lioness. Cock, the feminine gender is hen. Drone, the masculine gender is drone and the feminine gender is bee. For a cat, the masculine gender is tom and the feminine gender is queen. So for a cat, the masculine gender is tom and for the feminine gender is known as the queen. For an elephant, the masculine gender is bull and the feminine gender is cow. For a camel, the masculine gender is bull and the feminine gender is cow. For crocodile, the masculine gender is bull, the feminine gender is cow. For bear, the masculine gender is bow and the feminine gender is sow. For an ant, the masculine gender is drone and the feminine gender is queen. For a giraffe, the masculine gender is bull, the feminine gender is cow. For a goat, the masculine gender is buck and the feminine gender is doe. For a leopard, it is leopard and feminine gender is leopardess. For a lobster, the masculine gender is cock and the feminine gender is hen. And for a mouse, the masculine gender is buck and the feminine gender is doe. So these are the masculine and feminine gender of animals. So we have tiger, tigress, bull, cow, rooster, hen. For a deer, it is buck and doe, drake, duck, fox, vixen, gander, goose. For an horse, stallion, mare, lion, lioness, cock, hen, drone, bee. For a cat, it is tom and queen. For an elephant, it is bull, cow. For a camel, it is bull, cow. For a crocodile, it is bull, cow. For a bear, it is bow and sow. For an ant, it is drone, queen. For a giraffe, it is bull, cow. For a goat, it is buck, doe. Leopard, leopardess. For a lobster, it is cock, hen. For a mouse, it is buck and doe. So these are the masculine and feminine gender for humans as well as animals.